Rotterdam by the Beautiful South. This song was suggested by Gareth, who's a member of my Andy Guitar membership. He posted a video of him playing this on his Discord and asked me for some tips, and he wanted to cover it on the Monday live streams that we do. Every Monday, 6 PM, I go live and we get this sort of two-way kind of community feel to the stuff that I offer online. If you want to join up to all this, the link is at the top of the description. Thank you so much to Gareth for posting this. Let's get on with the tutorial now. So those basic chords are a C major to an F major 7, which are hopefully chords you've come across before. The riff makes this just the root note and a slide from the 3rd fret to the 5th fret on strings 2 and 3. I would use my 3rd and little finger to do that like this. Alternatively, you could use a flat 3rd finger and slide to the 5th fret like that. But personal preference, I prefer that slide, which is plucked with the first 2 fingers, and we assign those fingers to string 3, to string 2, and string 1, sliding like this. So 3, slide to 5, and then we just pluck an F major 7 chord, just the thinnest 4 strings. The second time that comes around, I'd recommend hitting that C root note with the middle finger again, and then open string 2 and 3, and again back to that F major 7. So root note, slide, F major 7, root note, open, back to that F major 7. Get that first of all. Once you've got that, we just add first finger, thumb, first finger, and when the first finger comes back, it's the open string and we move back to that root note. Here it comes. Once you can do what I've just demoed there, and you think you've got the notes down, there's something really cool we can do to bring on your playing in general, not just for this song, but it involves using a metronome. Most people have an idea of using a metronome which is incorrect. It's not the way we would want to practice it. And having it, for example, having a beat or a click on every beat just makes everything very unmusical and almost annoying, right? We think of this metronome as an annoying click. The way to use it is half that BPM, and just have the metronome on beats 2 and 4. This is what the pros do. It's so much more fun, so much more musical. So the BPM of this song is 108 BPM. So I'm going to half that and do 54 BPM, which sounds like this. As I play this, try and imagine the song over this, but with this click being beats 2 and 4. Can you imagine the song yet? Boom, ba, bum, ba, da, da, dun, dun, dun. Okay, so that's what we're going for. And when we just have that quite cold, harsh click, that's what we want to be thinking about. This is a great way to use a metronome in whatever song you want to play. So we have this riff. Now what this enables us to really focus on is getting this swing, because this is to a swing groove, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, where the 8th notes, the ands, 1 and 2 and 3, are later. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that can be hard to get. We normally cover it in a blues or something. But having this metronome really helps. If I slow this down to around, say, let's go 42 BPM, which is slow, and you're going to have to really imagine the song to be able to play it. Try and just click your fingers first of all. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Bum, 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 ba-da-da-dum. Okay, we imagine that song and then we play it. It can be more difficult to make the BPM super slow when we're doing that. So you've got to have something to work with first of all. But that can help you get the feel of this song, which is so relaxed, so kind of a little bit behind the beat, to be honest, but all the swung notes are quite late, so it's quite highly swung. That gives it this relaxed feel. Hopefully that helps. From there, we just have basic chords for the rest of the song, but it's a little bit more strummed. We have a pre-chorus, which is just a G chord. I'm going to play a G chord like this. So we're going to go back to A minor after this. This is just where we'd hit the root note and then little finger on the thinnest string, so just a 2-finger G chord. A minor, G, C major, E7. And all of that is just strummed with root note, down, root, up, down, up. And I'm just strumming that with my first finger. You could go pluck, strum, pluck, up, down, up if you wish, or just use your first finger, personal preference. This pre-chorus would be, the whole place is pickled. And then we get the chorus, which is A minor, Rotterdam, C major, or anywhere, Liverpool or Rome, 'cause Rotterdam is anywhere, D7, and then G7 this time. Strummed, that would be, this could be Rotterdam or anywhere, Liverpool or Rome, 'cause Rotterdam is anywhere, anywhere alone. And then we have a riff. Love that bit. This is open to the 3rd fret bent up, open B, then whatever fingers you want to use really, but 3rd and little on the 3rd fret and the 3rd fret on string 2 and string 3. Those important with the click, they happen on the off beats, guys. The off beats. Let's put this to, I don't know, 50 BPM. So if we have Rotterdam or anywhere, and we're back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So they're all on the and. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Weird thing to get. But if you know the song well, just play it like that, basically. And that's all sections to this great song, guys. So let's have a bit of a play and strum. And if you need more tips with fingerstyle playing, I've got a full course available. The link is at the top of the description as well. And again, join the membership if you want to send me some song requests and have a bit more of a chat with this stuff. I can do live streams and answer your questions in real time. It's a really cool community. The Discord's really rocking. Come join us, man. Links in the description. Let's have a play through this song now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the women tug their hair like they're trying to prove it won't fall out. And all the men are gargoyles dipped long in Irish stout. The whole place is pickled, the people are pickles for sure, and no one knows what they've done round here than they ever could do in a jar. This could be Rotterdam or anywhere, Liverpool or Rome. Rotterdam is anywhere, anywhere alone, anywhere alone. Everyone is blonde and everyone is beautiful. And when blonde and beautiful are multiple, they become so dull and dutiful. And when faced with dull and dutiful, they fire red warning flares, battle cocky personality with red underwear. Oh, this could be Rotterdam or anywhere, Liverpool or Rome, 'cause Rotterdam is anywhere, anywhere alone. What a song! Paul Heaton with the lyrics there, of course. Fabulous song. Let me know any other fingerstyle requests in the comments below. And if you want to get involved with this AAA community in the Discord, then come join us. Links at the top of the description. I hope to see you there. And there's a couple of videos on screen now that I think you might enjoy too.